Okay, guys, this is going to be the topic for our class of today. You are going to perform the review workshop. That means this is the last class of trigonometry in the second term. So we have here all the topics we already saw. That was quadratic equations. We have linear functions, quadratic functions, exponentials, and logarithmics. All functions. But with the b and the no, only with the p. You are going to find the domain and the rank of this function. And for the C, for the D, and for the E, you are going to find the domain. Not the rank, because the rank can be difficult, okay? So only the domain, okay? So that will be all. So thank you very much for your attention. If you're being so kind, remember to follow me at all my social media and don't forget to subscribe. So see you in another video. Bye!